If you're getting stuck with the OneDrive error 0x80070194 on your Windows 10 or 11 device, you're definitely not alone. This is a pretty common issue that prevents your files from syncing correctly. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through clear step-by-step solutions that not only fix the error, but also get your files syncing smoothly again. After watching, you'll understand exactly how to handle this error if it ever pops up in the future. Let's dive in and get your OneDrive back on track. Our very first step is to pause and then resume syncing. This is a gentle way to refresh OneDrive, and sometimes all it takes to clear up glitches like 0x80070194. So look down at your taskbar. There's usually a little cloud icon hanging out by the clock. If you don't see it right away, try clicking the tiny upward arrow near the bottom right corner to expand your hidden icons. Once you spot the OneDrive icon, right-click it and head into either the straight-up settings, or sometimes it's called Help and Settings, depending on the version you're running. Here, choose Pause Syncing and pick something like 2 hours. This doesn't have to be exact, but 2 hours is a good window for our purposes. Now, wait a couple of minutes, give your computer a moment to essentially take a breath. After that short pause, right-click the cloud icon again and this time select Resume Syncing. This simple action can solve a surprising number of syncing hiccups. Think of it like toggling your Wi-Fi off and back on when things get weird. If pausing didn't do the trick, the next thing I recommend is resetting OneDrive. This is actually my top troubleshooting step for this error, and it's easy to do. Hold the Windows key on your keyboard and tap R. This will pop open a small Run dialog box. In here, paste or type C/program files /Microsoft OneDrive /OneDrive exe reset. This command tells Windows to reset OneDrive without touching your files. Normally, you'll see the OneDrive icon vanish for a bit and then reappear as it restarts. If that icon doesn't pop back up in a minute or two, don't worry. Just open the Start menu, type OneDrive, and launch it manually. Resetting clears out any stuck processes and often resolves errors lurking behind the scenes. Still seeing the error? Don't stress. Sometimes your account gets out of sync, so let's try unlinking and relinking it. Right-click the OneDrive icon and select Settings, then click on the Account tab. Here you'll see an option that says Unlink this PC. Click that and follow the prompts to sign back in with your Microsoft account. OneDrive will ask you to choose the folders you want to sync again, so take this as a chance to tidy things up if you want. Relinking your account is like giving OneDrive a fresh start, a bit like reconnecting a streaming app that's suddenly stopped playing new episodes. In newer versions of OneDrive, managing what's stored on your device is handled through something called Files on Demand. This has changed a little. Instead of flipping a switch, you either use Free Up Space to move files online only, or download all files to keep everything local. If you want OneDrive to not take up space, right-click a file and select Free Up Space. If you need all files kept locally, hit Download All Files in the Settings menu. This directly impacts how files sync and can prevent error messages if files were previously inaccessible. Let's make sure everything is up to date. Outdated software can lead to mismatches and bugs. Open the Windows Update tool and let your system check and install any updates. It won't hurt, even if you're not having problems elsewhere. While you're at it, check if there's an update available for OneDrive in the Microsoft Store or your installed apps. Keeping things updated is like routine maintenance for your car. It prevents small problems from piling up. If you're still running into trouble, our last step is to uninstall and reinstall OneDrive entirely. Go to Settings, then Apps, find OneDrive in your installed apps list and uninstall it. After that, visit Microsoft's website and download the most recent version of OneDrive and reinstall it. This guarantees you're starting fresh, free from any corrupted files or settings. And that's it. With these steps, you should be able to kick that annoying 0x80070194 error to the curb and keep your files syncing reliably. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It helps me out and lets others find this tutorial. Got questions or still stuck? Drop a comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech fix tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy syncing.